Alright everyone, another day, another video, and in today's video I'm going to give everyone my fit and sound demo for the FIO MOTUS FM20 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today in this video I'm going to give y'all an overall fitting demonstration. I'm going to talk about how I feel about the overall fit and comfort level of these headphones. Then we're going to do two audio sample tests. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and the second one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. Okay. Also, I'm going to let everyone know how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these headphones, and I'll be sure to reiterate this in the full review for these headphones. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's begin. Okay, so starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit of these headphones. Now, I have to say the fit on these headphones is actually very, very good. Now, for reference, I actually have a very small head. So I have these pair of headphones closed up as much as I can. And you can see if I turn to my left and give y'all a shot of the right ear cup. This is the main ear cup, by the way. This is where the power button and the volume rockers are located. Okay. But you can see these headphones enclose my entire ear. So these are over the ear headphones. All right. And then if I turn to my right and give y'all a shot of the left headphone, this ear cup has the active noise cancellation and transparency mode button. And again, you can see this ear cup also completely covers or encloses my entire ear. So these are what you would call over-the-ear headphones. And I have to say, in terms of the overall fit and comfort level, these headphones are great. Haven't had any issues in terms of the overall fit or comfort. Okay, so that does it for the fitting demonstration. Okay, up next now, let's get into our two sound sample tests, and I'm going to let y'all know what I think and how I feel about the overall sound quality, bass, and volume. All right, so for reference here, I have the headphones hooked up to my other S10e. Okay, and I have the volume set to 100% volume. Y'all can see it here. I'll have the B-roll thrown up in post so y'all get a better look. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and push play. Also for reference, you can see I have my professional clip-on microphone hooked up today, and that's what's recording all of today's audio. And I would say that's less than a foot away from my mouth, and it should be able to easily pick up any leakage coming off of the headphones. Okay, so let's get into today's test. Let's go. So let me push play now. Got my copyright-free music pulled up. I'll have all the copyright-free music down below in the video description. If you want to know where I got this music from, check out the video description. Let's go ahead and push play. Let me know if y'all hear any leakage. Here we go. Okay, that should do it. Let me pause this. All right, so let me know if the microphones picked up any leakage coming off of the headphones. But before I give y'all the last audio sample, which is a sound sample, let me give y'all my overall thoughts and feelings on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these headphones. Now, I have to say, in terms of sound quality, it is top notch. It's very crisp and clear with little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. So the sound quality is top notch. In terms of the volume, again, it is top notch as well. With these headphones on, regardless of whatever volume that I keep it at, I can easily drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I'm listening to or doing with the headphones, whether that be watching a movie or streaming my favorite music on Pandora, Spotify, or YouTube Music. So sound quality, volume, both top notch. Now, talking about the all-important bass, because y'all know I'm a self-proclaimed bass head. That bass has to hit, it has to be punchy, it has to be gritty. Talking about the overall bass, I would have to say it's just really good. Okay, again, I'll have my testing playlist that I used when I was testing these headphones linked up down below in the video description as well. And you guys and gals, feel free to comment down below your favorite genres of music or audio tracks that you want me to check out. I might add it to the testing playlist for my Bluetooth earbuds and headphones. But based on how I tested the headphones, I'd have to say the overall bass on these is really good. All right. Now I tested it with R&B, hip hop, rock, and I did a little bit of pop this time, didn't I? Yeah, I did a little bit of pop, but mostly it was R&B, hip hop, and rock. Okay. I didn't listen to any country this time, but based on my testing and based on what I just heard through the headphones, because I got to take this into account too, that's why I would say the overall bass on these is just really good. Now, it's just missing that extra little bit of grit to like really make the bass come alive and feel punchy, but overall it's not bad. It's actually really good. All right. And I'll show y'all in the full review, you can actually do a custom EQ, so you can dial in the sound on these headphones exactly the way you want it, so you can actually get a little bit of extra bass out of it. But even with the custom EQ, I found that the bass is just lacking just a little bit. I just need that extra little bit of punch, that extra little bit of grit. I don't know if you call it grit or warmness, but I call it grit. And these headphones are just missing that ever so slightly. But overall, the bass on these is really good in my opinion. Okay, now moving on, let me rewind the track here. Okay, and we're going to give y'all a sound sample now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push play on the music. Then I'm going to hold the headphones up to the microphone, and I'm going to give y'all a nice 30-second to a minute sound sample. So let me go ahead and push play now. Okay, and let me hold these up. Here we go. Hold it up right here. Ooh, that is a lot of leakage. And we're gonna do this for 30 seconds, starting right about, let me time this properly, so y'all might get a little extra. Alright, so I'm gonna do this 30 seconds to a minute, starting right about now. Here we go, enjoy. Okay, let's pause the music now. Okay, and there you guys and gals have it. real quick sound sample to the best of my ability. And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. All right. So as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. Please let me know what you think. How did the FM20 performed? Leave your feedback down below in the comments as to how you feel it performed based on this video, or if you decided to pick it up for yourself, what are your thoughts about it? Leave your feedback down below. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Okay, just remember to keep it respectful, please. All right. So today's video was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS, and I am using professional clip-on microphone audio here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. All right. Also, as always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can see some more extended coverage on the headphones, or where you can pick up these headphones at a really great price, I'll leave all of my extended coverage as well as my affiliated buy links linked up down below in the video description. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And also, when the full review for these headphones goes live on the channel, I will have that as the top pinned comment across all the coverage for these headphones. All right, so you guys and gals will know when the full review for these headphones is done, because you should see a top pinned comment across all the coverage that I do on these headphones. And as the name implies for the video description will contain affiliated buy links, and when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone. All right. That does it. A little bit of housekeeping to close the show. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.